Dear friends, welcome to yet another installment of Orbital Geek. In this video, we will explore 15 emerging technologies that are shaping the future in unimaginable ways. From nanotechnology that is paving the way in the microscopic world to advances in robotics and mixed reality that are challenging the boundaries of what is possible. We will see how innovation is transforming entire sectors, from health to mobility, from entertainment to space exploration. However, the question remains: are we really prepared to embrace all these disruptive changes? Find out the answers by watching to the end and subscribe to not miss the upcoming chapters of this unprecedented technological journey. Nanotechnology is opening the doors to a world of infinite possibilities at the nanoscale. Join us as we explore this revolutionary field, where science, engineering, and technology converge to manipulate matter at the molecular and atomic levels. Explore how nanotechnology is revolutionizing industries across all areas, from medicine and electronics to energy and materials science. Witness the incredible potential of nanomaterials to improve drug delivery systems, revolutionize electronic devices, and create stronger, lighter, and more durable materials. From nanoscale sensors and actuators to quantum dots and carbon nanotubes, the applications of nanotechnology are as diverse as they are inspiring. Join us on a journey to the microscopic world of nanotechnology, where the smallest particles hold the key to unlocking a future limited only by our imagination. Full Electric Atlas. Robot. The Electric Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics is a fully electric humanoid marvel designed for real-world applications. This robot is dynamic and agile, thanks to its advanced control system and cutting-edge hardware. It uses depth sensors for real-time perception and model predictive control to adjust its motion. Powered by a custom battery and compact hydraulic system, it delivers impressive feats of mobility. The Electric Atlas robot is lightweight, yet strong thanks to a blend of 3D printed titanium and aluminum parts. It's stronger and more dexterous than any of its predecessors, designed to be part of our everyday life. Its goal is to expand human potential. The journey with Atlas starts with Hyundai, which is building next-generation automotive manufacturing capabilities. DJI Avid. 2. The DJI Avid 2 represents the pinnacle of innovation in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles, propelling us toward a future where drones transcend conventional boundaries. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology and advanced artificial intelligence capabilities, the Avid 2 redefines what's possible with drones, offering unprecedented levels of autonomy, performance, and versatility. From aerial photography and videography to surveillance missions and search and rescue, the Avid 2 is a true game-changer. Experience the thrill of flight as it showcases its agile maneuvers, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and unparalleled stability. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, first responder, or adventure enthusiast, the DJI Avid 2 allows you to push the boundaries of creativity and exploration. Join us as we reach new heights with the DJI Avid 2, the future of aerial innovation. Nanoscribe. Explore the world of high-precision additive manufacturing with Nanoscribe, a leading provider of 3D printers and grayscale lithography systems. Nanoscribe's technology is driven by two-photon polymerization, offering the highest precision in additive manufacturing, with feature sizes controlled down to 100 nanometers. This technology is used in a wide range of applications, from 3D bioprinting for life sciences to 3D nano-precision alignment printing for photonics applications. With over 4,000 active users in more than 30 countries, Nanoscribe is driving industrial innovations in sectors like micro-optics, micromechanics, biomedical engineering, and photonics technologies. By investing more than 25% of its annual revenue into the future of microfabrication, Nanoscribe is truly shaping the future of high-precision additive manufacturing. Microsoft Silica. Discover the future of data storage with Microsoft's Project Silica. This revolutionary technology utilizes quartz glass, a durable and low-cost medium, to store data for decades to hundreds of thousands of years. It eliminates the need for periodic data copying, making it a sustainable and secure storage system. Despite its high data density, with a raw capacity of 7 terabytes on a DVD-sized glass platter, it ensures data safety as overwrite during read is physically impossible. Project Silica uses ultra-fast lasers to encode data and regular light to read it. This innovation is part of Microsoft's research into the future of cloud infrastructure, combining optics and computer science. SateLliet 5G launch. SateLliet's 5G marks a significant milestone in the evolution of global connectivity as SateLliet introduces its revolutionary satellite-based 5G network to the world. Join us as we witness the dawn of a new era in telecommunications, where ubiquitous high-speed internet access becomes a reality even in the most remote and underserved areas, through a cutting-edge constellation of nano-satellites. SateLliet's 5G network delivers ultra-low latency and high-capacity connectivity to users across the globe, unlocking infinite opportunities for innovation and progress. From enabling Internet of Things applications to supporting critical communications during emergencies, SateLliet's 5G network revolutionizes the way we connect, communicate, and collaborate in the digital age. Join us in celebrating this historic moment and explore the boundless potential of SateLliet's groundbreaking 5G technology to transform our world for the better. Microsoft HoloLens 2. Usher in a new era of mixed reality technology, blurring the line between the physical and digital worlds. Join us on an immersive journey into the possibilities of the HoloLens 2, where holograms become an integral part of our everyday experiences. With its revolutionary design and advanced capabilities, the HoloLens 2 redefines how we interact with information and collaborate with others. From immersive gaming experiences to cutting-edge industrial applications, the HoloLens 2 empowers users to visualize, create, and interact with digital content in entirely new ways. Join us as we explore the transformative potential of the HoloLens 2 to revolutionize industries, boost productivity, and unlock new realms of creativity and innovation. Experience the future of computing with Microsoft HoloLens 2, where the boundaries between imagination and reality fade away. Cyberdog 2. Meet the world of nature-inspired robotics with Xiaomi's second-generation robotic dog, the Cyberdog 2. This AI-powered robot is smarter than its predecessor, offering a more compact and lifelike design. Weighing 8.9 kilograms with a height of 36.7 centimeters, the Cyberdog 2 was designed as a research platform and robotic pet. It can walk, dance, and even change color using a special body scanning technique. What sets the Cyberdog 2 apart are its learning abilities. Thanks to Xiaomi's AI reinforcement learning platform, the Cyberdog 2 can learn new skills, with every move simulated and trained by over 30,000 AI dogs, making its movements natural and lively. The Cyberdog 2 truly represents advances in the field of nature-inspired robotics, the future of connectivity with the 6G vision for 2030. In this transformative vision, we imagine a world where communication reaches unprecedented speeds and reliability, enabling revolutionary technologies and experiences. Envision a reality where smart cities optimize energy usage and traffic flow in real time, where remote surgery and telemedicine revolutionize healthcare, and where immersive virtual worlds blur the lines between the digital and physical realms. With 6G technology, we are poised to unlock a future where innovation knows no bounds, from autonomous drones and AI-powered factories to personalized entertainment and gaming experiences. Join us as we explore the infinite possibilities of 6G and envision a world where connectivity transforms every aspect of our lives. Welcome to the 6G vision for 2030, where the future is now. Hyundai Future Mobility Concept, a visionary approach to redefine transportation and create a more connected and sustainable future. This concept includes urban air mobility, a model developed in partnership with Uber Elevate, aimed at significantly reducing travel times. Hyundai also presents vehicles designed for specific tasks and integrated with other mobility solutions to create a comprehensive set of transportation. The Hub, a network that connects different types of mobility solutions, is another key aspect of this concept. Most of Hyundai's new mobility concepts are built around the Connect and Drive module, an electric capsule with integrated steering, electric motors, brakes, and sensors that can be applied to a wide variety of transportation vehicles and robots. Hyundai's future mobility concept is part of its commitment to progress for humanity, aimed at creating a more connected and sustainable future. Samsung Galaxy Ring. The Samsung Galaxy Ring ushers in a new era of smartphone innovation, combining elegant design with powerful performance to deliver an exceptional user experience. Join us as we explore the features and capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy Ring, a device designed to seamlessly integrate into your life. With its vibrant display, immersive audio, and extremely fast processing power, the Galaxy Ring takes mobile entertainment to new heights. Discover the versatility of its camera system, capable of capturing stunning photos and videos in any environment. Immerse yourself in the world of productivity with effortless multitasking and intuitive software features that keep you organized and efficient. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or staying connected with loved ones, the Samsung Galaxy Ring allows you to do more with style and sophistication. Join the Galaxy family and experience the future of mobile technology with the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Ambidex Robot. Introducing the Ambidex robotic arm, this innovative technological advancement is the result of collaborative research and development focused on human-robot coexistence. Ambidex utilizes cable-driven mechanisms, making it safe to interact with people. Despite its lightweight 2.6 kilo design, it can operate at a maximum speed of 5 meters per second and lift up to 3 kilos. What sets Ambidex apart is its precise, high-speed control, making it suitable for a wide variety of applications. But that's not all. This robotic arm can be controlled in real time from remote locations, thanks to the power of 5G networks. Additionally, it's capable of learning to perform tasks like assembling an IKEA chair, developed by the Neuro Laboratories. Ambidex is a testament to advances in robotics and the future of human-robot coexistence. AKA Flying Train. AKA unveils a revolutionary concept that reimagines the future of transportation, fusing the efficiency of high-speed rail with the freedom of flight. Join us as we take to the skies aboard the AKA Flying Train, a groundbreaking mode of transportation that combines the best of both worlds. Propelled by advanced propulsion systems and aerodynamic design, the flying train glides smoothly above traditional infrastructure, avoiding congestion and reducing travel times to unprecedented levels. Experience the joy of travel as we explore the seamless integration of land and air transportation, offering passengers a smooth and comfortable journey from city to city. From urban mobility to intercity transport, the AKA Flying Train promises to revolutionize how we move people and cargo in the 21st century. OrCam MyEye Pro. Introducing OrCam MyEye Pro, a wearable assistive device designed to empower daily independence for individuals with visual impairments. This device brings extensive reading capabilities to the tip of their fingers, allowing them to effortlessly read emails, books, newspapers, or anything else at their own pace with a simple voice command. They can instantly find the information they're looking for. OrCam MyEye Pro also enables them to recognize loved ones, find objects, use the correct currency, and select the perfect color. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence technology, it can read texts on smartphones, computers, signs, books, newspapers, and much more. OrCam MyEye Pro truly represents advances in the field of assistive technology for people with visual impairments. 3D House Printer. Explore the world of 3D house printers. These printers construct residential buildings layer by layer based on a computer-aided design or blueprint that has been converted, offering a more cost- and time-efficient alternative to traditional construction techniques. With high precision in additive manufacturing, these printers deliver superior quality at an unmatched speed. The technology behind these printers, known as two-photon polymerization, provides the highest resolution in additive manufacturing. The applications of 3D house printers are vast, from creating fully habitable houses to constructing bridges and exterior decorations. Leading companies in this area include Icon, APC, CBE, WASP, and Wyson. This technology truly represents advances in the field of construction and the future of housing. Starship, SpaceX's third integrated flight test of Starship, also known as Static Fire No. 3, took place on March 14, 2024. This test marked a significant milestone in the development of Starship. Launched from SpaceX's Starbase facilities on the South Texas coast, the mission lasted just under 50 minutes. During that time, Starship made a noteworthy achievement by completing the full second stage burn and reaching the intended orbital velocity for the first time. However, the test also highlighted the challenges that remained, as Starship disintegrated during atmospheric re-entry. Despite this setback, Static Fire number 3 brings SpaceX one step closer to its goal of making space travel more accessible and feasible. The technologies presented in this video are just the tip of the iceberg of an unprecedented scientific and technological revolution. From manipulating matter at the nanoscale to exploring the confines of space, the advances described here represent years, if not decades, of research and development by some of the brightest minds on the planet. It is the realization of the dream of turning science fiction into tangible reality. However, as we approach a future once unimaginable, a crucial question arises. Are we ethically and morally prepared to deal with the power of these disruptive technologies? Share your thoughts in the comments and join the debate on how to responsibly shape tomorrow.